to evolve and annihilate without anyone else's help. As you can see, you have to defeat 30 ghost type or psychic type. There's a way to do that without battling other people or gyms or anything like that. You do battle, but this is what you battle. Battle interface and scroll down until you see the trainers. Click on Blanche, battle Blanche, choose Master League, my lineup. There's my primate. Second beast you face is a Metagross, which is psychic. Hello. You don't have to win, just need to defeat that. And you got it. You managed to win anyway. Remember that it was a 20, now it's a 21. There you go. That's how you do it.